Good morning, this is Wayne Bilal with another Smart Profit Maximizing Moment. Today we're going to talk about eliminating repeat errors, your customer errors. It really comes into customer service and how you handle it. But one of the things that will happen as you grow and as you hire employees is errors. And, these are costly. They cost you customers. You have to fix them. Could lead to lawsuits, depending on the size of the error. Every business makes mistakes. As I tell my employees and have for years, the only employees that don't make mistakes are the ones that aren't working. Now, the thing is, I don't expect to see the same mistake all the time. So there's something that I've used for a long time called hot tickets. And look, there's a reason errors happen. All right? Using hot tickets helps you quickly resolve problems you soon discover that they also help you track problems, okay? Once you identify recurrent problems, you can start looking for causes and finding solutions. I used them in my practice and found out probably 90% of our mistakes, when I came back and looked at them, happened within a week to 10 days before a deadline. So we just stopped pushing, all right? It's not our job to push like heck to the point where we're doing things too fast and making mistakes because the clients didn't bring them in on time. So I communicate that. We'd rather be right than fast. That's not our job, all right? So what's a hot ticket? Well, first create a checklist of the most common errors you have when delivering your product, creating and delivering your product, okay? Once an error is spotted, a hot ticket is created by the person who spots it. The problem is checked off, or there's a space for anything that's unusual and what I call unique problems, all right? On the back of the form, the employee, and I would make a two-sided form with the spaces already in there. On the back of the form, the employee should document how the customer's problem was discovered, how it was resolved. Should also document when the customer was contacted and if the employee feels the owner should be contacting the customer. Impress upon employees how important it is to take the time to fill out the hot tickets accurately. They will help ensure that all customer problems are resolved quickly. Point. I think at least on the large sales and repeat customers and good customers, but truthfully, I would do it on all customers. The owner or somebody pretty darn high up in the organization should make a phone call to the person apologizing and saying, hey, was it resolved to your, I'm following up. I saw there was a problem with the error. Was it resolved to your satisfaction? If it isn't, fix it. If they want to vent, let them vent a little bit, all right? Also, give them a credit for next time. Give them a gift. Say, my apologies. Here's to, make up for the inconvenience. I don't like discounting. Okay. A gift towards future purchase is much better. People don't expect perfection. They just expect you to say, yeah, I made a mistake. Let's fix it. All right. That's what people expect. The ones that expect perfection, you don't want them as clients anyways. All right. It's also a good way to make sure that your employees took care of the problem, because that's a problem. As you get larger, you get further away from the customer often. All right. And secondly, it doesn't hurt that your employees know you're going to be following up on all of these. All right. Ticket also will help you. It will also show you when there's recurring mistakes, recurring problems. Review them at the end of the week, the end of the month, whatever. If the same problem arises multiple times during this time period, you will know it's time to investigate the cause of the problem and create a system to eliminate it. There's dozens of reasons why people make mistakes. Hot tickets help you find the root cause of your most frequent mistakes. Problems have specific causes and specific solutions. Make sure you have a system in place to track them. I first read about these, back in the 80s maybe. No, I guess it was later than that, because it was in a book by Jay Goltz, G-O-L-T-Z, called The Street Smart Entrepreneur, which was published in 1998. Might have been republished, because I remember seeing it before that, but who knows. Last time I checked, it was still available on Amazon. So good book, worth looking at. Hey, until next time, this is Wayne Bilal saying, let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.